Hello, and welcome to the Aviation Weather Center website. We know how important it is to plan for winter weather at your airports, so in this video, I will show you our updated winter weather dashboard. You can find the winter weather dashboard under the Tools dropdown in the navigation bar. The purpose of the dashboard is to provide decision support for FAA air traffic managers and operational meteorologists. The dashboard depicts the potential winter weather impacts at various airports using a weather ensemble model. There are a couple ways to sort your data and get just the airports you need. The display shows the top 29 core airports by default, but you can select an air traffic control center or a region, and you may notice there's information for Canadian airports as well. The airports are sorted by climate first based on annual snowfall, but you can sort alphabetically or locationally instead. Once you've made your decision, click Submit to update the dashboard. The airports are sorted into 4 categories based on the annual snowfalls and are given impact ratings based on those categories. Any color other than green shows a potential winter weather impact at that airport. To get more information, click on a box that is yellow, orange, or red. A pop-up will appear giving the reason for the impact and including what criteria is met. It'll also show the model trend data for the past 4 model runs. Major U.S. airports also have FAA-assigned nearby alternate airports. Click the little arrow next to the airport ID to reveal the alternate airports. The winter weather dashboard also has ensemble plume data. Click the graph icon next to the airports to open the plume data and select the graphs you'd like to see for that airport. The bold black line is the mean, and impacts are assigned when a certain number of ensemble members reach these impact values. The dashboard goes out to 36 hours using the arrow along the time bar at the top. I hope this video helped to show you some of the tools on the winter weather dashboard, but if you have any other questions or comments, please let us know using the envelope icon on the top left or in the hamburger dropdown on a mobile device.